Welcome back. We continue our team coverage on the frigid weather hitting South Florida. Cold, windy weather could hurt or even kill farm animals. Tonight, ranch owners are scrambling to protect their passion and investment. CBS News Miami's Larry Seward is live in Davie at Mirando Farms and Ranch. And Larry, they have hundreds of animals to try to keep warm.
They're using blankets, special coats, even bales of hay to keep animals warm and thirsty.
Keep ya.
Behind Miranda Farm and Ranch's gate, they're leading horses wearing insulated coats to buckets of minerals to make them thirsty for water in the trough. As temperatures plunge, it also calms CEO Chelsea Miranda's biggest fear.
Well, horses mostly, when the temperature changes, they'll stop drinking water. And when that happens, then they can have a whole other set of issues.
Dehydrated horses suffer abdominal pain capable of killing them, so Miranda's family is doing everything they can to protect the stable. They're also tossing hay and stacking it around that tortoise in the farm's petting zoo. Miranda's family has hundreds of animals: goats, chickens, pigs, even an emu family. That's the dad squatting on eggs to keep them warm.
Animals are pretty hardy.
Miranda says they worry more about sensitive plants in their nursery, a big source of income.
What I'll be doing tonight, probably in the next few hours, I'll start bringing some of these trees inside.
Staff plan to work long hours to shield trees from the wind and cold. Still, Miranda's team is making sure the animals living on this 10-acre farm have what they need to survive.
Miranda says other ranchers are in touch with one another, trying to make sure everyone has the supplies they need, blankets, etc., because they want to make sure they do everything they can to keep the animals on farms in South Florida doing well through this cold spurt. We're live in Davie. Larry Seward, CBS News, Miami.